Hello everyone, my name is Neomustic and welcome to another just random, not really tutorial, but explanation. You guys know that I made this fence thingy and these houses. So I want to talk about modular building. It's the thing we used for these fences. But modular building is more than just placing two fences right next to each other. Let me open a new scene. There we go. So this is our scene. Let's go to top view. And please don't text me now. So modular building basically means reusing the same objects to make a level at a really fast pace. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say we've got ourselves a corridor, what am I saying? A hallway. This is going to be the first part of our hallway. It's a really long one. There we go. So a long hallway. And we want it to have a T-junction going to different parts, again with long hallways and doors and stuff like that. So let's add in a T-junction right here. I don't like this way of the T-junction, so what can I do? I can just take it, rotate it by -90 or 270. I will need to put this in the right direction, in the right position as well. I don't want it to be that one, I want it to be this one. Okay, so T-junction. Now I want to have two hallways going like that. $90. There we go. One more up. So yeah, this is basically what modular building is. You just reuse the same thing over and over again. I know I made this really fast. I also made these parts really fast. But yeah, this is the easy thing about modular building. For example, now I've got this. It's not in the right direction, still not 180. Now it's in the right direction. This is a wall piece. Control C, Control V. 0. Is this the right direction? I don't think it is. Nope. So 90, that should be in the right direction now. I also made a little wall piece. Of course, as you can see, I made my my little viewing window on the wrong side, so 270, and let's drag it into the right direction. That should be right. Yeah, my wall is here. Control C, Control V. I could add in a door if I want. Control C, Control V. There we go. And let's Control C, Control V. 180. There we go. So we basically made a little hallway in about 5 minutes time. It can be more than 5 minutes, so Control C, Control V. There. So we made this entire thing in not even 5 minutes time, and that's a good thing about modular building. You take your time to make one little piece, and then you just copy paste it. 90, that's in that direction. So I'm still going, and then Control C, Control V, 270, and it's on the other side. This should fit in here. Control C, Control V, and 90. There. So I made this entire thing under a minute. Of course, when it's textured, it will look a lot nicer. But that's another thing you can do. You can, for example, make one basic thing, plant it down where you want it to be, and then use different styles of textures. For example, I want this to be in a red texture. Create material red. Gonna make it red. So I want all of these walls to be red. And I see that I did something wrong there. Well, not really wrong, but not something that I want to see. Okay, that's better. I want these to be in blue. Or I want one, no, I want one to be in red and the other one to be in blue. Then I can just get the other texture, paste it over it, and it's what we want it to be. There. And that's basically how simple modular modular building works. And there's nothing more to it. This is for depending on what type of game you're trying to make, this is a really good way to make your levels. For example, let's go to game mode. See, for example, if you're making a shooting game, this is an excellent way to build your levels. If you're making like a maze game, again, perfect way to make your levels. And of course, I didn't completely do this right, but you can do this with everything. You can, for example, now I get this, the basic layout. If I get some modular, let's say pipelines, I can put pipelines in here that connect somewhere over here or go up to the ceiling and stuff like that. So this is a very, very fast way to make really, really good looking environments. Of course, you need to make sure that you don't overdo it because that will be bad for your frame rate. But yeah, this is a perfect way to make a game. I hope this was helpful to some people. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.